Dana dana da dana. Dana dana dai. Dana dana da dana. Dana dana daj. Oj dana, nie będę zakrywać ani ich zaplatać. Włosy moje skrzydła, nauczę się latać. We are Sutari. We are from Poland. We met in a theater and we are playing together for 12 years as a band. Our biggest inspiration is Polish traditional music and old women songs. We believe that sounds and music is everywhere, so we take it from the nature, all the sounds to inspire our creation. Also, it's a topic for us because we care about the planet and about future and about the community. So our last album was dedicated to nature with River Sisters album, and now the newest album, Lullabies for the World, is very much focused also on the planet, but in a also very human aspect.
We started more with traditional tunes and traditional lyrics, but right now we try to write our own compositions and our own texts, more basing on traditional tunes, for example, rhythms. So we talk about the topics that are important for us with our own words, but with inspiration from traditional tunes.
One of the most important thing was telling the stories about like everyday life and about the emotions, and this is what we take from these traditions, that we want to tell our stories about the moment in our life.
I think root music and traditional music is very much needed today because it's very much about relationship, about the community. So this is something that can take us closer, public and artists, and make a beautiful dialogue within the culture, but we all need it as a human beings, and it's taking us more close and avoid this distance which is in online life. So I'm very much into that we really need to develop this kind of culture, very close to people, very into the relation. Oj dana, 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 dana.